What is the main source of energy that drives the water cycle?
Wind. The sun. Earth's core. Ocean currents. Condensation. Precipitation. Evaporation. Transpiration.
When water vapor cools and forms clouds, this process is called
evaporation, condensation, precipitation, runoff.
Which of the following is not a form of precipitation?
Rain, snow, hail, evaporation.
What happens when water droplets in clouds become too heavy? They evaporate. They form groundwater. They fall as precipitation. They disappear. Water that flows over the ground into rivers and lakes is called
groundwater, condensation, runoff, transpiration.
Plants release water vapor into the air through a process called
evaporation, condensation.
How long has Earth been recycling water? Millions of years. Thousands of years. Hundreds of years. Billions of years.
Wind, the sun, volcanoes, tides.
The process of water turning into vapor and rising into the atmosphere is called
condensation, precipitation, evaporation, filtration. Runoff, condensation, transpiration, sublimation.
Rain, snow, sleet, and hail are all examples of
runoff, condensation, transpiration, sublimation.
Rain, snow, sleet, and hail are all examples of
evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration.
Water soaking into the soil and becoming groundwater is called
runoff, infiltration, transpiration, sublimation.
When plants release water vapor, it's called
evaporation, condensation, transpiration, perspiration.